Back to our channel. Well, if you're new here, I would so totally love it if you subscribed. And if you're returning, how you doing? Well, I wanted to give you an update real quick on the corn that we planted. You see these little shoots? We have about 100 of them. They're everywhere. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? I'm so totally loving this. I really am. After the devastation of having to rip my yellow crookneck squash and the one cucumber plant out of the garden, this lifted my spirits. Lifted my spirits so high. It really, truly did. Oh my goodness. But I just wanted to share this with you really quick. How exciting. How exciting. Well, this is just a very, very short video. I just wanted to show you. And this is after only 4 days. Imagine, after 4 days of planting corn seed. 4 days! I never thought it would be so easy. Never thought it would be so easy. Anyway, okay, that's all for this video. Just really quick. I love you. Bye.